In today's global market, protecting your brand is more challenging than ever. Counterfeit products, unauthorized use, and domain squatting are just a few of the threats businesses face. That's where replacement permutations come into play, a powerful strategy to safeguard your brand. Replacement permutations involve systematically substituting or altering elements of your brand name, logo, or key identifiers. These variations help identify counterfeit products, monitor unauthorized use, and strengthen your intellectual property protection. For instance, if your brand name is brand, permutations like brand for ND or brand at ND can be used to detect unauthorized activities. Early detection of counterfeit websites and phishing attempts, enhanced protection of your brand's online presence, increased customer trust by ensuring secure communications. At Cyberfort, we're your trusted partner in cybersecurity. Our mission is to make the digital world safer for everyone. We offer cutting-edge solutions to help you protect your domains and emails from cyber threats. From protecting your personal data to securing your business, we offer cutting-edge solutions and expert insights to help you stay one step ahead of cyber threats. Brand spoof. Identify and monitor domains that closely resemble your brand, preventing misuse and fraud. Similar, TLDs. Detect domains with altered extensions that could mislead users or be used for phishing attacks. Other owned domains. Uncover websites falsely claiming to be part of your brand and take action against impersonation. Subdomains. Track and analyze subdomains to detect security risks, unauthorized use, or structural vulnerability.